Well, I probably should have came out here earlier and started recording this video before the sun already set, but we have the clouds out there now. We're looking forward to some sunshine as we start the week. Plus also, let's head inside now, and I want to tell you what we have in store, maybe for this upcoming spring weather-wise. All right, we have the studio lights on and it's a cool evening to be hanging out inside, but there is a good chance that we could see some warmer temperatures as we go into the next couple of days, and it all happens based on what the storm system does that's offshore right now. So at this point, we have a storm system that's down to our south, and what that thing is going to do is it's really just going to bring us a lot of strong northeast winds as we look ahead to our Monday. We'll likely see temperatures that'll be a little bit below average in the low 50s, but the good news is that that storm system, which is down to our south and eventually off to the east, that thing gets out of here. So by Tuesday, we're going to see clearing skies across our area, and those clearing skies will mean the temperatures should warm up even more. So we're back in the 60s likely on Tuesday and probably beyond. The long range forecast, we have a high temperature of 78 coming up on Friday. So there is one hot day coming up in the long range forecast. But I want to talk about what we have now in store for spring. From the Climate Prediction Center, they're saying for the months, or the rest of months basically, of March, April, and going into May, our whole region is going to be in that above average zone. So we're likely going to have a warmer than normal spring. And in terms of precipitation, a wetter than average spring. Now, once we get into springtime, of course, I know the pollen sufferers out there, yeah, the pollen gets worse, but when we have rainfall, extra rain can knock down that pollen. So hopefully that'll help the season at least a little bit. Now, how much rain do we usually get in the months of March, April, and into May? This is when we start getting closer to the wet season. Really, we see the most rain in the summertime here in Hampton Roads, but we still get a fair amount each month in Norfolk for the rainfall amounts March, April, and into May. Elizabeth City, the numbers vary a little bit, and also they change a little bit as we look to Wallops Island. So we'll see what happens this spring coming up. But hopefully we'll have some nice weather days so we can get outside. And in the next couple of weeks too, with the kids out of school, you'll want to take advantage of those nice weather days and get some fresh air, because we do have some of them in the week ahead. We'll have updates on that coming up on our newscast, but enjoy your week. See you later.